President Trump will speak at an indoor event in Arizona today, and that is one of the most dangerous states for the coronavirus. Since the president's Tulsa rally, 2 more campaign staffers have tested positive. And another complication for the president, face coverings are mandatory in Phoenix. That is where he will be speaking. Weijia Jiang reports now from the White House.
President Trump is expected to address a crowd of 3,000 students for Trump in Phoenix, all of whom had to agree not to hold organizers or the venue liable if they contract COVID-19, even as White House officials downplay the threat of the virus.
There is no second wave coming.
The administration said yesterday it was because of coronavirus that it needed to extend a ban on immigration to protect U.S. jobs and suspend certain work visas through the end of the year. Following that announcement, the president plans to stop by Yuma today to mark the completion of 200 miles of his border wall, highlighting his campaign promise to stop illegal immigration. Meanwhile, it is his campaign relaunch that continues to spark controversy because of comments Mr. Trump made.
So I said to my people, slow the testing down, please.
The White House insisted President Trump was joking, but when directly asked, he didn't deny directing a slowdown.
But did you ask to slow it down?
If it did slow down, frankly, I think we're way ahead of ourselves, if you want to know the truth.
And then there was this rhetoric to describe the virus.
I can name Kung Flu.
Why does he use racist phrases like the Kung Flu?
The president doesn't. What the president does do is point to the fact that the origin of the virus is China.
Kung Flu is extremely offensive to many people in the Asian American community. To be clear, are you saying the White House does not believe it is racist?
To be clear, I think the media is trying to play games with the terminology of this virus.
Weijia joins us now. Weijia, good morning. So in that exchange we just saw with White House Press Secretary Kayleigh McEnany, did she eventually get to whether or not the president regrets using that term, Kung Flu?
Yeah, she said President Trump never regrets putting the onus on China for the virus, but she could not explain how using Kung Flu accomplishes that, since the phrase does not refer to a place. Still, she insisted that it is the same as saying Chinese or Wuhan virus, and dismissed concerns from Asian American advocacy groups who say it is racist when an administration official used the term back in March. At the time, White House advisor Kellyanne Conway said it is highly offensive. Tony.
I remember that exchange well. Weijia, thank you very much.